scoring a net zero goal at the FIFA World Cup. Future tournaments will have to feature some of the current sustainability objectives at the ongoing tournament. This includes requiring products and services supplied to the World Cup to meet minimum green standards. Host Qatar is also using this edition to develop and improve sustainability in the country. Aslam Shah has more.
170,000 seats to be donated to countries in need of sporting infrastructure. Irrigation systems that use only recycled water. Stadiums built from recycled materials. It's the first time a FIFA World Cup tournament has a net zero goal. Behind me is not part of a shipping port, but a groundbreaking stadium, the first temporary venue in World Cup history. Paying tribute to the area's industrial heritage and Qatar's country code 974, it is made up of 974 recycled shipping containers that will be fully dismantled after the tournament. There are plans to have it fully rebuilt in Uruguay if the South American nation's bid for the 2030 World Cup is successful. The host country is, of course, on the same sustainability team.
Our sustainability program is the first ever joint sustainability program between the host country and the FIFA. It is totally aligned with the Qatar National Vision 2030 as well as the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals.
But air travel remains the transport of choice for millions of fans, and this makes up more than half of carbon emissions. Offsetting the carbon footprint will take about 2 years beyond the tournament for the country to prove that the World Cup is indeed a net zero tournament.
We have established a Global Carbon Council, which is a voluntary offsetting program that will help us in offsetting almost half of our emissions. The remaining emission will be offset by the saving from Al Kharsa'a solar power plant, which is our country's new power plant.
But achieving carbon neutral goals through offsetting may not be the best way, according to an expert.
The quality of the offsets can be sometimes questioned, and even with the best auditors, it's not easy to verify the additionality of the offsets itself. Unfortunately, if they especially want to offset all the 72% of the emissions coming out of travel, there might not be any other choices.
An independent audit report detailing data on carbon footprints at the tournaments, for example, could be released 3 months after the tournament. FIFA has its own sustainability goals by 2030, and some breakthroughs in Qatar could pave the way to achieving them. Aslam Shah, CNA, Doha.